Michael here, and in today's video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to send DMs on Twitter or X. Whether you're new to these platforms or just haven't gotten around to sliding into those DMs yet, I've got you covered. Now let's dive in. So, first things first, let's open up X or Twitter. Be aware, not everyone's DMs are open. Let's say, for example, you tap on Barack Obama's profile. Look at the top. There's no mail icon, meaning you can't DM him. Makes sense. He probably doesn't want his inbox flooded, right? Now let's find an account that does allow DMs. You'll see a mail icon right next to the follow button. Tap that, and boom, you can send a DM. It's that simple. Most accounts have this feature enabled. If you're wondering why no one's sliding into your DMs, you might have your settings too private. Head to your profile, tap the top left corner for settings and support, then choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to Privacy and Safety and tap it. You'll find Direct Messages somewhere in the middle. Go ahead and tap that too. From here, you can set who can send you messages. If you want to open up your DMs to everyone, this is where you do it. Also, check out this option that says Filter Low Quality Messages. It's designed to block spam or bot messages. But hey, if you're the adventurous type and want to receive all messages, feel free to toggle this off. And there you go. Now you know how to send DMs on Twitter or X and how to adjust your settings to get as many or as few DMs as you like. Got any questions or thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and hit that subscribe button for more. I'll see you in the next video.